It's day one here in Gqeberha, ahead of my show tomorrow night at the Savoy Theatre. Yeah, today we're going to go on a culinary adventure through the heart of Gqeberha. Yeah, just say it one more time with me. Gqeberha. Gqeberha. You know, one of the other cameramen, he called it Gqeberha.
Nani?
Yes, he's from Pakistan, so that doesn't matter. But anyway, it's Gqeberha. And I'm excited. We're here at MEGABITE in Malabar with the lovely owner Suhayl, who's gonna give us something to bite, like mega. I mean, it's not the biggest in the world, but it's apparently a MEGABITE. Assalamu alaikum, how are you, Uncle Shakil?
Alhamdulillah.
Nice.
Fine, man.
Just Shakil.
Just Shakil.
Okay, Shakil, tell us about your MEGABITE Express.
MEGABITE Express, okay.
When did it start? How long have
That's-
you guys been open for?
We started about 2012. We do a variety of food. Grills, burgers, Gatsby's.
What are you known
Seafood.
for? What do people come here for? What do they phone you in the middle of the night and say, yo, I'm feeling
I want your hot wings. I want
Hot
your
wings?
barbecue ribs. And I want your
Damn.
masala steak burgers.
Oh,
They love that. Love it.
oh, it looks like we're gonna get stuck.
That is Chef Isaac, my main man, and Lady Margie over there.
Because you know me, I don't eat that much. So.
Is it?
Nani?
All right, so we're ready.
For 3 minutes and we're done with the whole order.
3 minutes.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, you can see there's a pro chef here. Look at the way he cuts through that sandwich. Effortless. One strike and it's gone. It's food made with love. Food with a story. That's the type of food I like. I'm gonna try a wing. I can't wait.
Ooh.
Oh,
Looks good, Shakil, eh?
Hey,
Steak looks good. How many
that's
was
a
it?
hero roll.
Oh, that's
T-bone
soft.
steak.
About 20.
oh, mmm. A nice
Your
bite
mutton
to it.
burger.
Yeah. This is something, huh? Let's try this Master Chef's creation. Oh,
What is in it? It looks like egg.
oh, there's egg, steak, and cheese. I don't normally like well done egg. I prefer soft, but this, it works well with this. Your steak not too spicy. You got a nice slice of cheese there that's partially melted. The textures, phenomenal. What do you think about it?
Sweet.
Huh?
And
Very sweet.
It's good, man. Who wants
That's
this?
good. I think the egg is
Almond?
a good addition.
Oh, gotta wash it down with some MEGABITE water. You know, because we're watching the weight. Oh.
you don't know?
Even better than a sandwich, in my opinion. It's got a grilled chicken fillet, sauce, lettuce, and a fresh roll. Now in this one, the chicken is really the winner.
Yeah. Chicken.
How do you feel that?
It's the hero roll. I got it right. It's the hero roll.
That's amazing. Oh,
Tell us more.
you I have those crispy chips just to douse that flame on the chicken.
It's a bit of a flame. Some heat.
Yeah, this is a MEGABITE. Who wants? Now, how am I gonna eat this?
Just grab it.
Well, that's the tea.
That's the tea.
But
I still take that.
oh my goodness!
That is what a T-bone grill.
Wow, the T-bone, succulent, juicy.
Medium. Well.
It's well done.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, you left with one mutton burger here.
Oh,
this is
sorry.
mutton burger for you.
Oh, there's still food.
There's still food.
Look at this. Can you cut this in half for me?
Yes, I can
please?
cut it for you.
So it makes it feel like there's less. And ignore the burgers then.
This guy is chowing. Where's the food going? This guy is whacking it. Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Yeah.
This is Suhayl Essa here.
Right, Suleiman.
This guy. Suhayl. Wait, let's stop.
No, it's fine.
Suhayl Essa is coming here at the Savoy Lodge to Savoy Theatre tomorrow. Be sure to be there and enjoy his show. He was here now at
just had,
Megabite Express.
A lovely chow at Megabite.
Takeouts. Be there or be square.
Hey, come on man, subscribe. Then share the video and click like. You know you want to. New videos dropping weekly.